little fucking cheap. You an ant with a leaf at best. I would keep this brief, but I got a lot of heat, so I'ma get it off my chest. If you hear me saying please, I'm just trying to be polite, but this is really not a request. I was trying to let you be, now I gotta take the lead, cause all you really do is make a mess. And it's a big deal now when it's upside down. I know you were trying to do your best, even trying to help out, cause I got the shit down, but what can I say? I'm blessed. Endowed with the big brain, good dig game, but I'm insane. This is not a test. We just barely getting started. You was late to the party, now you already trying to take a rest. So I'ma bang it all out like a drum set. You just keep on hanging around like a sunset. Matter of fact, I've been looking at the scoreboard. Somehow you ain't even put up one yet. If you want it, come and get it, but I wouldn't recommend it. Out of shape, then I'ma bend it. You cannot even defend it. First quarter, I'ma end it. I'ma score when I intended. I am not your best friend. If I said it, then I meant it. Every time. Halftime and the game's mine. You've been playing all out, but to me it's playtime. Couldn't turn the game around with the key to space time. Fuck it, I'ma keep on shooting like to waste time. You gotta get it more times, then you fall down. Put your head down, get to work, you can ball out. When you make it, don't go and blow it at the mall now. Please do something just a little more thought out, please. And if you think you got a problem with us, step, say it to my face, step. Anytime, any place, just say win. Step. You thought you were gonna win and you mistaken. Step. Even when you're in the lead, I erase them. Step. Say it to my face, step. Anytime, any place, just say win. Step. You thought you were gonna win and you mistaken. Step. Even when you're in the lead, I erase them. Step. Say it to my face, step. Anytime, any place,